Good day, investors. Welcome to the 15th of May 2015. The trade for today is called Barclays Africa. Code is BGA and the last traded price was 178.51. Action on this trade is to do a long trade with the objective it will go from the low on the grey line to the green line. Entry is 176.60 and the target is 187.19. Stop loss to be used on this trade is 173.07 on the red line. Current open trades is CFR, ITU, CML and Bidvest. Looking at the top 40 index of the JSE, indicated by the black line, you can see basically it's still trading under the 10-day as well as the 20-day moving average. That's the blue and the red line indicated. We need to see if momentum will start going to the side like previously after it crossed, and when it will start moving up. Keep a close eyes for the breakup similar to this position here to indicate momentum going upwards, sideways or more downwards. Looking at the Dow Jones, Friday evening they closed, Thursday evening they closed 191 points stronger, testing this previous high here, and that previous high was close to a level of 18,225 points. The S&P 500 broke new record highs on Thursday evening straight. So the markets are actually picking up here again, showing a bit of a confirmation. But the futures at this moment is totally flat. European futures are totally flat, with the South African market futures also indicating a flatness on this Friday. So we need to see if there could be some small profit taking happening before the weekend. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE. As you can see, still trading on this top red line here, showing you a high, low, high, low, high, coming a bit down, forming a negative ABC pattern. High, low, high. That high is lower than that high. Broke that low. We're currently testing it. Let's see. Broke the bit with a few points. We need to see if the momentum will start coming down from this previous highs. So looking at the Bollinger Bands, trading under this 48,000 points, testing the middle Bollinger Band as well. So we need to see any breakup or any breakdown at this moment. Let's go and look at Shoprite. Shoprite broke further downwards. You can see my top green and my bottom green line. That tested, expected a bit of a breakup, didn't happen. Broke that previous low, so there's a high, lower. So next expectation low could be back here to the 161. So the momentum of that retailer is also down. The same with Mr. Price. Retailing price is also down. Look at the Bollinger Band, trading between the green and the purple in a negative momentum, testing this 240. Looking at Woolies after the previous high of the previous day, this share actually moved 8 cents. So it's testing that high of 95 Rand. And you can see basically trading between the green and the red in the positive side, but also trading on the top of the Bollinger Band. It's quite expensive. Let's go and look at that Barclays Bank. Look at this. From the top of the red line, broke the middle green line, went to the bottom. This 180 level, getting support there. Expectations between the green and the purple. Testing this previous low here just underneath 180. Need to see if it can break this 176.35, if it can go back to 170. So you can actually see the cycle up, down, up, down. So let's confirm how it's going to play out. Looking at Standard Bank, also losing momentum here. If you take this Bollinger Band away, there's the blue line going down, and that's red momentum at this moment. And next expectation low is close to 165. As the share traded here at the 166 level. Investec also totally sideways at this moment, between 110 and 115, currently trading the whole time here at the 111, 112 at this moment. Let's go to the MTNs. MTN went up, started to come down, tested the middle of the Bollinger Band, need to break to 250 if it wants to go further down. Now yesterday it went up 279, bounce on this middle Bollinger Band level here in this channel. So we need to see if this is going to be another breakup or just a small breakdown. Same with Vodacom. Vodacom came, tested it green, broke it down, support at 145. I'm keeping that level of 144, 145 there. Any stage of breaks it more downside back under the 140 rand. So I'm keeping a close eye on this one as well. Looking at Exaros, there's the head and shoulder pattern we spoke about. Beautiful. Leg, shoulder, head, shoulder, broke the green line, now going back. Well done, well spotted. So let's go to the last one on the list, and that will be your CFRs. Now CFRs also positive channel, higher, broke the middle, 105 is the current low. If broken, next low could go back here to the 103, 102. Friday, not a nice day in the market normally. Sometimes the volumes are thin. Long week, a lot of volatility in this market. I think a lot of people are exhausted. Even if the Americans closed high last night, the markets are still flat. Asia, Europe, South Africa. So let's see how this week closes out, and I will have a chat on Monday again. Enjoy trading.